All right, let's talk about AI automation. But don't worry, we're skipping all the complicated tech jargon. I'm just going to show you in simple terms how this stuff can be a total game changer for you. Ready? Let's dive in.
Okay, let me ask you something. Are you just tired of doing the same things over and over again? You know what I mean. Answering the same email, updating that spreadsheet for the 10th time. It's exhausting, right? That's the kind of work that just eats up all your time and energy.
Well, imagine if you could just set all that boring stuff on autopilot. Seriously, that's exactly what we're getting into today. This is all about freeing you up so you can actually focus on the work that really matters.
So let's break it down. You're probably hearing this term AI automation everywhere, right? But what does it actually mean?
At its heart, it's super simple. It's just about using smart technology, artificial intelligence, to do all that repetitive work for you. So instead of you manually typing out that email reply, the AI does it. The work just happens automatically without you having to lift a finger every single time. And the benefits? Oh, they're huge. We're talking about saving a ton of time, saving your precious mental energy. And yeah, for businesses, it definitely saves a whole lot of money. It's a win-win-win.
Okay, now you might be thinking, this sounds super complicated. But here's the secret. It's not. The whole thing really boils down to a simple 3-step process. Once you get this, you get everything.
Check this out. First, something has to happen, right? That's the trigger. Let's say you get a new email. Step 2, the AI thinking part. The AI reads that email and figures out what to do. Then step 3 is the action. The AI automatically writes and sends the perfect reply. So trigger, think, and act. That's it. That's the whole blueprint. All right, enough theory. Let's get to the fun stuff. How does this actually work in the real world? Like in the apps you and I use every single day?
First up, the big one, the dreaded inbox. I mean, for so many of us, this is where our time just disappears. But it really doesn't have to be that way.
Just picture having a little AI assistant living right inside your email. It could read a question from a customer and instantly fire back a smart reply. Or maybe someone fills out a form on your site. Bam, the AI sends a welcome email and then a follow-up a few days later, all on its own. It could even sort all your incoming mail into the right folders for you. And this isn't some sci-fi movie stuff. You can do this right now. Okay, let's talk social media. If you're a creator or you run a business, you know the grind. Trying to keep up with Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, it's literally a full-time job. Well, AI can be your secret weapon here. Think about it. For Instagram, it can write your captions and even reply to comments asking about your product. For YouTube, it can help you brainstorm video ideas or even write a first draft of a script. And for your Facebook page, it can answer all those common questions that pop up over and over. It's seriously like having a social media manager for every single platform working 24/7. And it goes way beyond just email and social media. Think about all those other little daily tasks, the ones that just chip away at your day. For example, you could have an AI automatically reply to common questions on WhatsApp, or maybe it updates a Google Sheet every time someone submits a form. It could even create a simple report for you every Friday afternoon, or just send you reminders for important tasks. All this stuff just happens in the background so you can actually focus on the big picture. Okay, so the big question is, how do you actually do all this? And the best part is, you don't have to be some coding genius. Not at all. There are some incredible tools out there made for regular people like us. You've probably heard of some of these, tools like Zapier, Make, and Pabbly. Think of them as the glue that connects all your apps together. And then you add the brains, something like ChatGPT or Google Gemini, to make those connections really smart. You just drag and drop, connect the dots, no coding required. It's amazing. So we've talked about what it is, how it works, and the tools you can use. But let's zoom out for a second. Why should you actually care about this? Because this isn't just for tech people, it's for everyone. Are you a student? You can use this to get organized. A creator? You can scale your content like crazy. A business owner? This is your key to better customer service. A freelancer? You can get more done in less time. Seriously, learning this is becoming a fundamental skill. But hey, a quick pro tip before you dive in head first. Please don't try to automate your entire business overnight. You'll just get frustrated. Start small. Pick one, just one, tiny, annoying task that you hate doing. Automate that. Make sure it works perfectly. And then, once you get that win, move on to the next thing, step by step. And I'll leave you with this thought. This stuff is becoming essential in pretty much every field. So when you learn how to do this, you're not just saving yourself a bit of time next week. You're giving yourself a massive advantage for your future. You're investing in yourself. So I want you to really think about this. After everything we've just talked about, what's that one repetitive task in your life that you could automate first? What's the first thing you're going to put on autopilot? Thanks for tuning in.